Hello friends, let us take down this example. Overhang beam subjected to throughout UDL throughout its length span. This is AB overhang beam with overhang at C, complete length 5 meter, subjected to UDL of intensity 10 kilonewton per meter. Now I have shown here equivalent point load for UDL, which is 10 kilonewton into 5 is 50 kilonewton. Now algorithm to solve this problem: find out first reactions at support RA and RB, then find out shear force at point ABC, find out point of contraflexure X, calculate bending moment. For that purpose, we will start with our criteria for equilibrium. Summation Fy equal to 0 gives Ra plus Rb is equal to 50. Taking moment about point A, 50 into 2.5 minus 4 Rb equal to 0. That gives Rb equal to 31.25 kilonewton and Ra is 18.75 kilonewton. So let us put this value of Ra and Rb. Ra is 18.75 kilonewton, Rb is 31.25 kilonewton. A little consideration will show that this portion is nothing but limited cantilever beam. That means this is a combination of simply supported beam and a cantilever beam. So B is fixed portion and C is free end of this cantilever beam. That means at B there must be zero bending moment. Okay, fine. Then we will start with shear force calculation. This is 18.75. So this is 18.75. 18.75 minus 40, because 10 into 4. So minus 40 is nothing but minus 21.25, minus 21.25 plus 31.25. Let us take here minus 10 is nothing but, minus 31.25 minus 21.25 is nothing but something mistaken. Okay, minus 21.25 plus 31.25 is nothing but plus 10. This is minus 21.25 plus 31.25 is plus 10. And then this is intensity of 10 kilonewton per meter UDL. This is for 1 meter. So intensity is 10. So here 10 minus 10, and as it is UDL, so there is inclined straight line. Here is also only UDL. So inclined straight line. This is nothing but shear force diagram. Now what is this? This is a point of contraflexure. You have to solve. This is your assignment. You have to calculate this. I have already calculated. I will readily use it, but it is your assignment to calculate X. Okay, X is now how to calculate. I will explain. Consider identity of these two triangles. X is a base, 4 minus x is base for this triangle, side is 18.75 here and 21.25 here. So x upon 18.75 is equal to 4 minus x upon 21.25. It gives you easy arithmetic calculation of cross multiplication, gives you x is equal to 1.875. Okay. Now let us draw bending moment diagram. As this is free end of cantilever, you know this is a, we can consider this beam as simply supported beam plus cantilever beam. for our sake of understanding. So, this is free end of cantilever. So, bending moment at C will be 0. So, I have written bending moment at C equal to 0. Let us consider this as B, bending moment at B towards right. Here is only one type of load, cantilever beam with UDL, and this is equivalent point load for this UDL, which is nothing but kilonewton situated at 0.5 from B. So, 10 into 0.5, again how it comes? It comes as clockwise. Here is sign convention for bending moment. So, at B bending moment is equal to minus 10 into 0.5 is equal to minus 5 kilonewton meter. Now, the last point, maximum bending moment at point of contraflexure, that is 1.875 from point A. Now, maximum bending moment at X, mx is equal to 18.75. I am taking moment from left side. So, moment from left side, this is sign convention, clockwise moment positive, 18.75 into 1.875. Again, there is only one load, UDL, towards left of point X, that is point of contraflexure, minus 10 into 1.875, this is intensity of UDL, multiplied by where it acts at midway or midpoint. So, 10 into 1.875 into 1.875 divided by 2. So, that is nothing but 17.578 kilonewton meter. Let us now draw bending moment diagram. Let us locate at point B minus 5 kilonewton meter and at maximum bending moment at this point of contraflexure 17.578. Join with parabolic curve up to this point and from this point to point A. Why it is parabolic curve? Because it is only UDL. The loads shown in pink are equivalent point load for UDL. Otherwise, this is subjected only to UDL. So, this is all about numerical on overhang beam subjected to UDL only. So, these are shear force diagram and bending moment diagram. It is highly recommended for you people solve at least 5 problems based on shear force and bending moment for overhang beam.